Oh wait, I got cherry. You what is it?
I have cherry.
Actually, I'm the red. Do 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 do. Hello, wait, you a hacker?
Yeah.
I'm a hacker.
I'm a Muslim hacker.
And also, let's be besties forever. Let's be in the side. Got it right.
Oy! Ang kulit niyo talagang dalawa.
I'm gonna reveal my true face. True hair.
Come on.
Hindi, ako na lang. Ako na lang.
I'm gonna do it.
No. Do yourself.
She's my bestie. And that's it. Wow, I got some accessories. Hey, is it your first time in Murder Mystery 2?
Balik na lang kayo, Henry, ha?
Hey, is it Tapos sabi mo na, where did you get that? From Lululemon. Oh my gosh, give me it. Oh my gosh. You're my bestie now. You're my bestie now. Tapos nakita mo daw ako nag-speed talk. How did you do that? I don't know. This is on with my beautiful face. Oh my god, where did you get the hat? Oh my god, it's fake!
Kunyari, ano tayo, may standing tayo. Ako ba yung present friend mo? Bakit ko na yung in daw, happy friend. Pero ano daw, sometimes sabi mo daw ako crazy. Hey, are you crazy?
Hey! Hey, stop calling me crazy!
Crazy friend. Dahil narinig ko daw sinabi ko, crazy friend, crazy friend.
How dare you call me?
No, I'm just kidding.
Magic! Look, I'm doing magic! It's magic! Oh my god, guys, I'm doing magic!
That's not magic.
Oh my god, my magic is so... I am magicking everywhere. Look, I can even push this. Hey, where did I just push you? Come back. Push back. Come back.
Hindi mo daw nakita yung ginagawa.
There. So anyways, I'm a puppy. I magic this.
Kunyari a snow daw. Winter day daw.
Oh my god, it's winter day. I hope it's autumn. I hope it's not it's autumn because it's so cold. Share with me right now. Guys, she won't share with me. Hey, can you make some hot chocolate? Oh my god. Guys, my best friend is talking back to me. Anyways, I'm just trying.
Kunyari daw, ano daw, magbibili ka daw ng chocolate milk. Pabili po ng chocolate doon. Ay.
Anyways, bye-bye.
Yung crazy.